Hello and welcome back to Do-It-Yourself Smart Code. In this video I want to show you some new features of Bolt.Diy and some experimental features. So the first feature I want to show you is the ability to open now the preview in a new tab, which is just insane and makes it much more easy to develop new stuff, and you can put it on a second monitor. So that's insane. So let's just do a Space Invader game here. And as soon as this is ready, I can show you the external preview. So there's an error, let's fix this. And there it is, game is working, and we now got here these new buttons, and you can open a new tab with the specified dimensions, in this case mobile, and you just can drag and drop it where you want, put it on a second monitor and use it there. So I will do desktop mode, then I can do it on the right side, put my IDE on the left side, and we just close here the code editor, and we can now let's do a change the block color to red. So it's implementing here on the left side, and the blocks are red, and we can instantly see it here. And if this on the second monitor, it's much more easy to develop and see what you change without this toggle every time. So much appreciated feature. It was developed by this guy, Stijnus, and he also has other features in development. So thank you very much. That's very nice. The next feature I want to show you is the enhanced logging in the main branch. So let's just test this out. We clone a bigger project. Let's take my task list advanced. Just go to the repo, copy the link, click clone git repo. It just installs everything. On the right side we can see the terminal, so we can ignore these errors as we don't use the Llama and LM Studio for now. Okay, everything running. We see a preview. And now I've chosen OpenAI with ChatGPT 4.0, which I guess has 128K context, which is too small for this project because it's way bigger, so it's not working. So let's do a simple prompt, change the beta button color to green, this button here on top. And it's loading. And we get an error. So here in the UI we see just a generic error, but now we can take a look at the terminal, and now we see a way better error here. So it failed 3 attempts and it's just too large. So we are over the tokens per minute limit. So it's not working with OpenAI in this case. So if we switch to Gemini, for example, it should work. I just have to put in my API key. Let me search here, copy, set it here. Okay, just copy the prompt, do it again. And yeah, it's doing it. It has another problem with the divs here, but it's capable of doing it based off the context size, so no problems here. Because Gemini has, I guess, 1 million or even 2 million context parameters, context size, so no problem. Yeah, so if you got any problems with generic errors in the UI, you can just take a look at the terminal now, and you see a way better error to understand what's going on. But as I said, it's just on the main branch at the moment, which has experimental features, so not on the stable yet. As next feature, I want to show you the standalone desktop application, which is currently in development. So it's just a pull request you can check out. And I already did this to test it out and build it for Windows. Here's a little introduction video for Linux and how it works. You can take a look. And yeah, the feature is built by Anibar, which is one of the core members. Thank you very much for this, by the way, and all the other effort you do for the project. And I will show it now for Windows. So as I said, I already built the application for Windows and we just started. Takes a bit, but then it appears, and I will just set my API key for Mistral to test it out. Get big. So, and let's just implement a Space Invader game. Oh, maybe I copied the wrong key. Let me check. Let's do this again. That's okay. And yeah, working as expected. So yeah, now you can use this standalone application, or you can in the future, as soon as this is merged to the main branch or the stable then later. And yeah, I think that's a very good feature and most wanted from a lot of people. So it's not needed anymore to npm install and all that stuff with all the problems you can get with this. So if you want to test it out, as I said, just go to the GitHub page. It's 1112, the number of the PR, and then you can check out this feature. And yeah, you can test it, give feedback. I already did. There are some problems with the build process we need to fix, and environment variables are not working at the moment, but other than that, it's working fine. So the last feature I want to show you is the AutoSync implementation, also by Stijnus. I hope I pronounce your name correctly. So also a very good feature. It's still in development, as already said. But yeah, here's a big description, what it can do with screenshots, sync history, and there is already a second draft, a V2 of it. So let's just watch his videos. He showcased it himself, so we can take a look what it can do in the future. So we can enable the syncing, we can choose a folder where we want to sync our projects to. We have to allow what the browser can do. We have a sync interval here, and now he is showcasing creating a new project then and how to sync it. So here in the settings we see the settings for the sync as well. Just a simple prompt for creating a web app, and now we got on top the syncing batch, and we see syncing is on. We have some stats when we click it. It looks very nice. Okay, server starting up, so application should work. Yeah, perfect. Yeah, it has an AutoSync 1 minute every minute at the moment. We see it's saved, and if we wait a bit, we will see it syncs because the minute is over. Yeah, so it's synced now 4 files to the desktop. And you are also able to check and uncheck here a single project. So if you don't want to sync all your chats and projects, you can disable here or uncheck it. So now we see he disabled it for one project, so sync is off for this one. So very nice feature as well. Thank you so much, Stijnus, for this. And I hope we get it soon in the main and stable branch. So if someone wants to test it out, just pull this PR, check it out, and test it, and give some feedback in the comments. I can go back, so you just can comment here, and if you find any bugs, I'm pretty sure he will fix it very fast. I did it for the external preview as well, and he's really fast in fixing the issues. So thank you very much. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching, and hope to see you in the next one.